Okay guys, previous video extension is this shift 1, it means exclamatory and enter. Boiler code will come. Okay, see HTML tag, HTML end, heading tag close, body tag. We have to write inside body everything. H1, enter. Hello. Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, how to open this file? Open with live server. Say guys, hello everyone, how are you? Okay, this is what guys, how we can run through VS Code, and previously I showed you guys how to run HTML file through Notepad also. Okay, got it right? We can style something simply style. We add on some colors, blue, violet. Save the file, go to the browser, it is changing. You can add little more something, background color. See guys, hello everyone, how are you? Background color, and it is. If you want to change color over here, if you want to make it black, save, see, it is changing. If you want to make this color change, you can change like this also. Save the file, see, it is changing, right? Okay guys, this is very basic level I am teaching. Okay guys, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.